Hey guys, it is me again, Casey Barnett with Barnett Schoolhouse. So this video is going to show you how I would make labels for the 10-drawer rolling cart. So I decided to make this because after tons and tons of searching and looking for templates for these carts, I got really flustered and decided that I'm going to get these off here. I was going to make my own and I was going to show you all how I would do that. So I am in PowerPoint. If you have no idea what that is, you probably don't need to be watching this video. But if you're watching this video, you most likely do know what that is. Okay, so with what I have here is a shape. It's the shape of your 10-drawer rolling cart. I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank here. So what I'm going to do first, so it's print friendly, I'm going to go to page setup over here. I went to file, page setup. I'm going to make this an 11 by 8.5. So it's 8.5 by 11. So that, and you just click scale up, no big deal. So that when someone goes to print this, it'll fit. Okay. And that's the biggest reason that I would do that. So what I'm gonna do is I created a shape. I'll show you how I made it first. Use my little trapezoid thingy here. Now, in order to get the height and things, I did some measuring. 2.38 by 10.77. Once I did that and I got it the way that I wanted it, I flipped it over because, that's what the cards look like and that's how they fit. Now, it's obviously not going to be blue, but what I'm going to do is copy this 3 times and show you that I probably wouldn't copy it normally until I get my other parts on there. I mean, my colors, my editing parts. So I'm going to show you that you can actually put 3 drawer labels on one 11 by 8.5 sheet. So whenever your labels go to be printed or a customer prints them, voila. So in order to edit this up, I actually am starting from scratch here so you guys can see exactly how I think. I have actually been creating this back to school bulletin board in a boho theme. So what I'm going to do is insert a picture of it so that, and like I said, this is straight from scratch. Let me grab one of these posters. This will give us the colors of our uh, bulletin board, like the theme. So this is a poster from a bulletin board zip. So all of these colors are used. I created these the rainbow from scratch, and I've been building from there on these different bulletin board sets, it's pretty cool. I love them. So what I want to do is kind of make this like 3D-ish. I've never done, not really 3D, but I want to make it fall off of this drawer and land on this drawer. So I've not done that yet, and I'm a little bit like, So what I'm gonna do is find one of my rainbows. I think I can. Please don't make fun of my organization of my files. Excuse me. So, let's see if I can find one. I really doubt. I actually don't remember where I. There they are. Maybe I don't remember where I stuck them. Oh no, that's not mine. There's mine right there. Okay, so oh, all right. So before you put the rainbow in, you actually want the rainbow to be a PNG so that the background is what do you call that? Clear. I'll just do this. Here's my rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna put you back where you go, bad girl. I'm gonna copy that. I hit Command C on my Mac, and I'm gonna go over here and put Command V and stick it in here. So in order to make this 3D-ish and fall off of the other from one thing to the other, I'm probably going to do something like that and like crop it off. So what I want to do first, because this is the most hideous color I've ever seen in my life, I think I'm going to put some I don't know. Do we want to do these colors on the back or leave them white and put some banners on them so they're not just, let's not do white. Let's go here. Let me move this slide over so I can see my stuff. Shape format. I've clicked on this shape. I'm going to shape format it. Now this is probably going to be a little tad of a lengthy video. I'm going to go to shape fill. Okay, let's do fill colors. So I'm going, if I want it to match, you need to go to shape fill, more fill colors. And you see this little dropper? That bad boy is going to be your best friend. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to fill it with this green color. Okay. You see? Ta-da! We don't want an outline. I'm not going to do an outline on it. So I'm going to hit that and no outline. All right. Don't need to worry about having shadows or anything. This is going to get cut out and stuck on their label. The drawer. Oh my goodness, excuse me. So, now, once you do that, you know that your drawer label is going to have an itty bitty hole here in the middle. I would probably put a little circle there so they can know where to cut. But right now I'm just going to leave that off because I'm going to have to do some measuring. So I'm going to grab this rainbow guy. No, I need to go ahead and color you. Let's color you real quick. So go click on your shape, shape format, shape fill, more fill colors, tap the dropper. Let's do baby blue. No outline. And then on this one, let's do shape fill, more fill colors. I'm going to click on the, have I done the mint? Let's do the light mint here. And no outline. All right. So that looks tremendously better already. To grab this, let's see. Whoops, not you. Let's see if I want to turn this sideways. Do we? It might be cute. Let's leave it straight for now. Okay, I'm going to crop this guy. Here's what we're going to do. Crop. No. How do I want to do this? I know. Sorry. This is how I work. Okay, I'm going to double make him. I'm going to crop you. Will this confuse me even more? Probably. I'm going to crop you. Boom. Now, he looks cut off. And then I'm going to go right here and I'm going to put you here until I see where you land. I'm going to crop you. I'm going to crop this flat part off a little. I don't like it. Ah! And you see how the rainbow looks like it's coming off from one drawer to the next. I probably will try to create a rainbow that has more of a teardrop-ish kind of bottom where it's like less flat because this is more for a flat scene. And go with that. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to probably put more rain. Let's go ahead and copy this, Command C. And I'm going to put another one right here. And I'll scoot this thingy over here out of the way. We'll probably need to put you a little further down. Okay. So this guy I'm just using for a color palette. I really need to grab a hold of these, but they're in my other file. Okay, so I'm going to write words on these now. We could name them anything. So next you want to insert a text box. And I have some fonts here. I'm going to put, let's go to my AG fonts. These are amazing. I want a curvy one, but not like straight up cursive because it'll be hard for youngers to read. All right, this is probably going to be hard to read. Let's say we have a 5th grade group and they know how to do cursive. So for pretend to make it beautiful right now, let's do Boss Lady. We're going to name you Monday. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, I love that. I'm going to make it bold. Sorry, I have a light on my computer and I can't hardly see as good. No. I don't want to make it bold because I like it light. I want it maybe to come off the screen just a little. No, that looks good. I was kind of thinking maybe it should come off of the thingy just a tad, but let's see. Let's make our words. No, that's good. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna put you back up here to the middle. Perfect. Okay, now that I have the font I want to use for my days of the week, and I'm just naming these because, you know, you don't have to do Monday, Tuesday. You could do whatever you think on it. So there's Tuesday. Let's copy another Monday and we'll name you Wednesday. Let's put you this way. Wednesday. I'm going to have to make this one larger because Wednesday is a bigger word. Whoops. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So let's pull this. Ooh, this may mess up my video, but so on this you have your first box Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, one thing I already see that was a mistake. Your 10 drawer rolling card is going to have a knob there. So, like I said, this is the first time I've ever made these, and I just wanted you guys to see how I roll right when I start an idea that's in my head. So you're going to want to make your words smaller. So the circle, let's see, let me insert a shape here. Let's do a circle. Now, in order to make this a perfect circle, I'm going to hold shift in. Okay. So see where I held that in? Let's see if I can get it, if it'll let me line up in the middle. Okay. So these little red lines are going to show me where I'm in the center. Pretty close. I'm going to go ahead and do no outline. I'm going to fill it with like a light white. So I can kind of, that gives me an idea of where my dot's going to be. I mean, where my handlebar is going to, oh my goodness, where my knob's going to be. All right. So that's Monday. You probably want Monday to be a little bit further over, but I think it's going to be cool when it prints and it's like missing some of that. All right, let's go ahead and put the knobs here. Make sure you don't grab, yeah, I got it. Make sure you don't grab the clipboard. See, that was already like, I may be wrong in my location here, but I think I'm pretty dang close. So I need to make Tuesday a tad smaller. I'm going to go back to home, minus her down. Want it to kind of hang off, or do I want it to come up? No, to kind of hang off. Definitely going to have to make Wednesday smaller. I'm doing Command C, Command V, or actually I'm just dragging it to the place I want it. Come on, y'all three. You need. Ooh. All right here is my center. And like I'm using these red guides here. Let's see. I think it moved a tad on me. Okay, so Wednesday's obviously too large. That's a flipping huge word, people. Try not to say. Shoot, we may want to make Wednesday bigger. Heck, we could be all different and put it right here. I like it over here. Yeah, that's much better. So Wednesday's at 80. These are 88. So there you have it. And then what I'll do is I'll go over here. I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to duplicate the slide. I'll probably do some different shapes. And I may actually do some that aren't completely filled with color for, printing's sake. But there you have it, ladies and gents. I actually didn't even use this poster. I may do another set after I get through going through the first 10, do a next set of 10 that just has like bunting on it and the words and some rainbows. I need to create some rainbows that, like I said, are teardropish and more like watercolorish. I don't know, something. I love it. I love it though. I'm gonna try to include a template for the drawers as like a Google slide doc for you to download from this video. I really hope it helps you guys. If you need help with it, I am a crafter and I have different packages, and I definitely absolutely love creating things like this. So if you need help and you've got a certain color you need for your classroom, please let me know. I'm working on some decor packs for classrooms and I'm super excited to get those out and rolling this year. Talk to you soon. Bye.